ready to go to a horse race in San Antonio, watch a little horse run. Got the trailer hooked up. And gonna let Julio hold down the Ponderosa. Wish us luck. Here's the picture of the backside of Retama Racetrack. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna get here and pick up a horse here in a little bit. Going in.
You know if there's a what? You know if there's a place to get air?
Is Eagle Dancer? There's Princess Dottie sticking her head out. There's Mike drinking his coffee still. Buddy. Good morning. Good morning, little man. So he's got slab fractures on his front left and his back right. So he's kind of hurting. But he's excited to go home, I bet. Yeah. There's Princess. Threw her jockey last night. Hope you're proud of yourself, little missy. Yes, I hope you're proud of yourself. Looks like she is.